Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a cooking video. I know it's been a minute, so I'm here to do another one, but I have a special guest with me.
The slider.
My dad's gonna be making this dish with me. His mother taught my mom how to make, I'm telling what we're making.
The Bolognese for a treat.
And it's really easy. We have everything lined up right here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. My dad's going to help. And my mom will be in the back with her commentary. Like, oh, wait.
Supervising.
Yes. Always got to add her 2 cents. So
always too rushed to do things.
So let's get right into it. So to start, you're going to need a big pot and olive oil. So
you can, but you don't.
I can cook. I just have you. I just have you.
I'm joking.
Rub your hair, oh my God.
Okay, so you're gonna take some olive oil and you're gonna put it in the pot.
Extra virgin olive oil.
You count more.
More.
You count until you cover the bottom. Good.
Till you cover the bottom. And then
what's your hair?
This is also good for when people annoy you, you smack them with it.
What's your hair?
She's fine.
Grab your hair.
Stop.
So now,
don't put anything in a cold pot.
wait, you're taking up too much space.
Slouchy.
Alright, let me move it. Okay, so once the oil gets hot, then you're gonna add meat.
Yes.
So
we don't measure, we go by eye.
Yeah. Alright, calm down.
Throw it in there.
I am. I'm gonna throw it in. Calm down.
So you're gonna add the meat and you're gonna crush it up.
You hear that popping?
Until it gets to a little tiny, like as if it was like ground chicken.
Yes, and you gotta brown it. You're gonna spread it out. Put the love in.
Okay, so now we're gonna let it brown and then let all the water absorb till there's only really the oil left, and then I'll show you what I have to do after. All right, y'all, so this is how the meat should look after it's like, you know, getting to cook, and we're gonna add all the other stuff now. Now that you can stand like over here, and the water is absorbed and there's just the oil now. Now we're gonna add the tomato paste. So.
Yeah, this might make it easier.
Oh, thanks.
Did it like that.
How cute.
Yeah. It takes it out. This way you don't waste. Make sure you get it all.
I am getting it all.
God don't like waste. Mama.
Do you want to bring the camera over here and show them?
Sure.
You want me to do it? No, you there.
So.
Paste's gonna thicken it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Wait till you drop that wine in it.
So, now that the paste is all mixed in there, now we're gonna add garlic.
You know what? It's your taste, right? Everybody's like, how much garlic you put in it?
Honestly, that's kind of like, how many tablespoons? Maybe like 4?
The garlic is like 3 cloves of garlic.
Look, if you like
3
garlic.
cloves of garlic.
If you like garlic.
And like, chop it up small so you're not eating like chunks of garlic. Like, I think
It's
that's
all your taste.
so gross.
If you like more, you put more. We haven't invented smell vision yet, but if you could. Okay.
I'm gonna pour 1 cup of wine.
Very full wine. I think you have that too
That
high.
smells amazing. Yeah, you can lower it.
It smells so good.
Let it cook.
Okay, so we're gonna let that cook for a little bit, and then after we're gonna go ahead and throw in the tomato sauce. So now it's time to throw in the tomato sauce, so
Put it.
throw that in.
A little water for you can rinse the can. Don't waste. No, the filter, babe.
Yeah.
Guys, it smells so fucking good.
Just a little bit, just so it could just don't waste. That's good.
I wish you guys can smell like what it smells like through the camera.
You don't want to waste it.
That's so unnecessary.
Yeah, you want to get the sauce off
No,
the size
but
of the can.
why did you do that with the spoon?
To stir it. And you get the sauce off the sides of the can.
We are so opposite, me and Daddy, when we cook. I'm just like boom, 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 throw it. Daddy's like so like delicate. He's like
Clean.
He cleans here,
nice.
he puts here. And then put this all like so like I'm like.
Because you're making it work of art.
Okay.
Want to work of art?
So now we're gonna add salt. Again, you're not gonna like measure. But if I had to say, it's probably like.
No, don't. Because some people cook with.
I know, but it looks like
in restaurants they put even when you see recipes they put so much.
No, I know, but I'm saying if I had to guess, it looks like 2 tablespoons.
Probably.
Well, the trick is listen. You put it in and you go, then you taste as you're cooking it. You can't take it out. You could always add it.
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it. Then black pepper.
That gives it a lot of flavor.
It's amazing. It gives it a nice spice.
Good.
A little more or no?
I'll give it a little more.
I can't see from here how much is going in. I just feel it.
Oh.
Wow, that's good. That's like you crack it.
And then we're gonna add fresh basil. My parents grow it in the backyard, and it smells so good. It reminds me. It really reminds me when I was a kid in New York.
But you have to put some parts.
And if you don't have fresh basil, go get some.
You could use this if you're in a pinch. It's okay. It's
God.
not the same, but it's not bad.
And put some parsley. We don't have fresh parsley, so we have to use.
Then we're gonna put parsley.
Maybe the other day, the other way.
Be careful, it's gonna come out a lot. That's good. You just cover the top all around, stir it up nice. You want a little bit of this in there? Oh no.
Well, your dad used to say, secret to everything is Italian dressing. So I don't know.
seasoning.
I put that in
Seasoning, not
everything.
Italian dressing.
I mean Italian seasoning. I
Put
put
a
that in
little.
everything.
Want to put a little bit?
Here's like your taste pretty much, like what you like, right?
Good.
You know, like I said, also, this is,
No, not put
I'm not saying to do it. Some people like spice, some people don't. The black.
Yeah, but
red
you can
pepper
add that
flakes.
to your own bowl, like after. You don't have to do that
Well,
right
the
away.
red pepper flakes, if you cook with it, it'll make stuff what you have like from diavolo.
Yeah, you put a little bit.
Where's the? Should we cover it?
That's it. And then just lower and cover it and put the spoon where the big round cover is in there, underneath there.
I got you.
To your right.
So guys, if the sauce is too thick, take half of a cup of the water from the pasta that's boiling and throw it in there, because the starch of the, wait, I got it out of focus. The starch of the pasta will thin out the sauce, and you don't want to take regular water because it doesn't have starch in it. So that's the science behind it. So it is all done. It's about almost 2 o'clock and it was ready, so. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I wish they could smell it. Someone's excited.
But I want to take a little pic for Insta, so I'm just going to taste like the corner of it so you guys can.
You want me to? Okay. Yeah.
Yep. It's so good, guys. It's literally so good.
It smells amazing. It can't be bad. It can't be.
You want to taste it on the camera?
Sure.
No, taste your own.
Okay.
Taste mine.
Wow. Joey Tridiano, you don't share or whatever, huh?
I don't share food, okay? Get your own plate.
Okay.
Get your own plate.
I'll taste it.
Yeah.
You're up your stock.
I want my stock, put it on my resume. made.
You up your stock, kid. You up your stock. Hands on through the stomach. That's it. You up your stock right there.
Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. I had so much fun making it with my dad. If you guys want more videos, let us know. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.